So right now, we're gonna take the local mode of transport here in the Philippines, and that is called the jeepney. Let's see how this goes. Oh. How was that? That's such a cool ride. Such a cool ride. Alright, now back with the run. What's up? Ron here. Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you're an aspiring creator out there looking to get your filmmaking set up, this video might be the one for you. Check this out. In this video, I will share with you 3 reasons on why I believe the HERO12 Black Creator Edition is the perfect setup for any aspiring creators out there. Here we go. Number 1. HERO12 Black Creator Edition is an all-in-one filmmaking powerhouse. Right out the box, it comes with everything that you need to create production-level content. At its heart, it is the HERO12 Black, delivering professional-level image quality and out-of-the-world stabilization. Now, if you want to learn more about the HERO12 Black, check out the video that I uploaded earlier, right here. Number 2. Something that every creator cares so deeply about: recording time. With Volta and the Enduro battery included, it extends battery performance up to 4 times, delivering over 5 hours of 5.3K recording, keeping you powered throughout the day. What more, Volta isn't just your typical premium battery grip, it's a whole lot more. It features integrated camera buttons for easy one-handed control that can also be used as a wireless remote when the camera is detached. The fold-out legs transforms it into a tripod, while the Q20 tripod base enables mounting options to traditional tripods. And if that is not enough, the fold-out fingers allows for further dynamic mounting options within the GoPro ecosystem. Talk about a versatile grip. Not to mention, with a weather-resistant design together with the USB pass-through door, it provides you that additional peace of mind for any environment, especially if you're like me that loves to leave your camera outdoor for that overnight star trail. Number 3. On top of that, medium mode and light mode provides you that additional functionality and versatility. The medium mode features a built-in directional mic, coupled with the foam cover for wind reduction, ensures that your commentary and dialogue comes through crystal clear. In fact, this entire segment that you've been watching is shot on the HERO12 Black Creator Edition. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the audio quality? Right here! By the way, there is also a new audio option for the medium mode on the HERO12 Black, where you can toggle both the front and back mic to be recording simultaneously. This would make it ideal for scenarios such as interview, where both the interviewer, which is behind the camera, and the speaker in front of the camera can be heard. Well, that's not all. The medium mode has a HDMI out port for playback on external monitors and a 3.5mm port for external mic support, 2 cold shoe mounts to mount lights, LCD, and more. And for those who seek professional level audio recording, you can attach a third-party microphone directly to the medium mode via the 3.5mm port, just as I have attached the Rode Wireless Go 2, so that I can narrate from a remote distance just like this. How does it sound like? How does it sound like? Now, I know some of you have been asking me about the Bluetooth audio support on the HERO12 Black. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel, because in the coming weeks, I will be doing a deeper dive on the side-by-side audio test on the various devices. So check that out. And in low light situation, you can utilize the light mode to illuminate your subject with 4 levels of brightness up to 200 lumens. Built with that GoPro DNA of being rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters, the Light Mod features a built-in rechargeable battery of up to 6 hours of battery runtime. The compact design makes it the perfect accessory to add on to your GoPro camera or use it as a standalone light with other GoPro mounts. Let's not forget, this entire setup that I've just mentioned, HERO12 Black Media Mod, Light Mod, Volta, basically the HERO12 Black Creator Edition, comes included as a single package. It is also good to note that this package comes in an amazing travel hard shell case. Tell me, how much better does it get? With that, that's the end of today's video. Let me know in the comments, will this be your next vlogging setup? Until then, stay safe, stay subscribed. I will see you in the next upload. Yo!
Enchanté.